So I've been getting this question quite a bit from new customers on my Etsy, buying Moldavite, or off YouTube. And that's, once you get your Moldavite, how do I activate it? So you really don't need to activate it, but if you feel you need to, what I always tell people is just to take it and admire it, hold it up to the light, just appreciate its beauty. And then what I want you to do is create a very clear picture in your mind of what you want out of life, what you're trying to manifest, and then just direct it into the crystal. Let it know what you're trying to do, and it will do the rest, right? You're just pointing it in the right direction, and you just sit back, go through life, and just listen to those gut feelings that you get, those nagging, like, that doesn't feel right kind of things, and just trust. A big thing with Moldavite is surrender. You are giving up what you think is right, what you, how do I want to put this? You are giving up control of the outcome, because a lot of times the outcomes we get with Moldavite are far better than our little pea-brain minds could have ever come up with, honestly. You know, you get things you didn't even know you needed, right? Just trust the process. Surrender to the changes, even if they seem bad. I promise you they're not. And just hang out for the ride. So, hope this helps, guys. See you next time.